Hey there and welcome back. So today's video is just going to be sort of a brief update on what I've been doing with Digital Shopfront. As you'll see, it is kind of a little bit of a step back from the last update video I did, but a lot of what I did was sort of under the hood, a lot of big changes, namely, starting to create Artisan Pack UI. Which is something I'll talk about more in other videos. But I just wanted to walk through sort of what I have for the dashboard setup, as well as user and role features. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to do sort of a brief walkthrough of what I have so far with Digital Shopfront. I'm starting here with the login. And I've added in two-factor authentication, so let me take care of that. All right, so I've authenticated. Right now, the two-factor authentication is going through email, but there'll be plugins and whatnot to add Google authentication, SMS authentication, all of that down the line. That's just something really basic I just wanted to add in right now, and I'm using that also through the Artisan Pack security package. So here's the dashboard. Really, my next big to-do item is to work again on the sort of dashboard widget layout so that users can customize what they see on their own dashboards. Thankfully, it's something I already did before, so hopefully I can reuse a lot of that code with this. And then really what I've been focusing on really is users and roles. So here we have users, simple table, can come in here and edit the account, change the roles, passwords, profile, the sort of light mode, dark mode, and then different colors that change all of this. It's not hooked up to change colors just yet. That's something I still need to work on. But settings-wise, it all works, and then enable or disable two-factor authentication, which also will be a site-wide option for admins. And same, you can edit your own profile, you can add a user, and then also we have roles. These are sort of the default roles. You can edit the roles here. Like so. And then you can also add roles. And then up here, this will be a link to the website or post or page, depending on what screen you're on. This is using Spotlight Search. Something I'll talk a little bit more when I talk about Artisan Pack UI is that sort of the Livewire UI components package is really a fork of Mary UI. Shout out, I'm drawing a blank on the guy's name. I will put it somewhere in the description below. But shout out to him, he did a great job. I just need more customization, and I want to do some other things with it. So essentially it's a fork of Mary UI. So I'm using the Spotlight search that comes along with it. And this will be populated out as well as I go on. We have a sort of an add content or add item menu over here. Be a sort of a quick add. Notifications is something I'll need to be working on. And then profile drop down along with sign out, which works. So again, super short update. I hope I built the foundation so that I can start building onto it more, and definitely a lot quicker than what I have been doing. So that's it for this update. Again, it's not a whole bunch, but I finally feel like I have sort of a baseline or a foundation that's really set so that I can really start to build onto this quickly. If you have any questions about Digital Shopfront, be sure to leave them down in the comment section below. And to see more updates about Digital Shopfront, as well as other videos in my web design and web development journey, be sure to hit that subscribe button and to ring the bell for notifications. But that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.